This tutorial is going to show you how to change the header photo at the top of each of the pages on your website, other than your home page, and also how to add the text there. So I'm logged into the website and I'm going to navigate over to Pages, and I'm going to go down to the page for which I want to change the header. In this case, I am building the Giving Back page so that it is there when you all are ready to add this page. So as you can see, this is just some blank holding here space, but I'm going to go over to the page and until I get my edit option and choose edit. So you can see here that I have my blocks ready for text and headings. I'm going to just quickly change this to Giving Back and hit save there. So when I'm ready to change the header, as you can see, it's appearing very small because there's no text here. And what we're going to do is come down here to the page itself. And when we hover over the name of the page, we get our cogwheels. We're going to click there. And we're going to come up to the Media tab. So you can see I copied this page from another page. So it also copied over the banner image as well. So I'm going to hit remove and click the arrow to add a new image. This is going to open my computer finder window. So I'm going to go to my computer and find the file I want to use. In this case, I'm just going to pick a stock photo here. So I'm going to click on the photo and choose open. Oh, and it tells me that picture's too big. Okay, so let me go back here and just pick any other picture. Let's just use this coffee cup and say open. So it's going to update the banner image for this page. The other thing I want to show you is that you can move the focus of the photo or to recenter it within the header because the header is not going to be as deep as the photo itself. So by using this white circle, I can click and drag anywhere in the photo and it will recenter the photo. In this case, we're just going to leave it there in the center and we're going to hit save. And now you can see that it has inserted that photo here. But again, because there's no text there, we don't have a lot of depth to our banner photo. So I'm going to hover over the photo and choose edit. And then I already have a text box here by default. So I'm going to click and I'm going to change my type here to heading 1. And I'm going to choose center so that it aligns with the rest of the pages on the website. And I'm just going to type my heading text here and click save. So now you can see that the photo has expanded a bit to make room for the text and that our text is centered and used as a heading 1 like the rest of the pages on our website. So that is how you would change your banner photo and banner text on any page on the website. And all pages do have this this banner section and heading text. So any of the text can be changed simply by clicking on edit and choosing to click inside the text box and then changing the photo by going to the cogwheel for that particular page.